Want to know how to enable or disable vibration feedbacks in Kimi AI? So your Kimi AI, if you have installed on your phone, has a feature that vibrates when you given prompts or when it has completed an answer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable that or enable it if you want to have it enabled. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, what you can do is you can just simply open up Kimi AI on your phone and make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch that. So on the top left side, you should be seeing this hamburger icon right here. Just simply select that. And now once you start with your hamburger icon here, you should be seeing your profile. Just simply select your profile. And now once you're under your profile, you should be seeing various options. Now right above notification settings, you should be seeing feature management. So once you start with feature management here, you should be seeing vibration and feedback. So you can just simply disable it by selecting disable right here. And it should be automatically disabled. So in order to enable it, you can just simply select enable. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.